Many people believe crystals can help raise your vibration by supporting emotional balance, mental clarity, and positive energy. While this idea is rooted in spiritual traditions rather than scientific proof, crystals have long been used as tools for intention setting, mindfulness, and personal growth. The concept of vibration refers to your energetic state, how you feel emotionally, mentally, and spiritually. When you're experiencing love, gratitude, joy, and peace, you're said to be vibrating at a higher frequency. When you're stressed, fearful, or negative, your vibration is considered lower. Crystals are believed to gently support a shift toward those higher, more uplifting states. Here's how they're commonly thought to help. 1. Energy alignment. Each crystal is believed to carry its own unique frequency. For example, clear quartz is associated with clarity and amplification, rose quartz with love and compassion, and amethyst with calm and intuition. Keeping them nearby or meditating with them can serve as a reminder to align with those qualities. 2. Intention, amplification. Crystals are often used as physical anchors for intentions. When you hold a crystal and focus on what you want to cultivate, peace, confidence, abundance, it helps direct your thoughts and energy more consciously. 3. Emotional grounding. Certain stones like black tourmaline or hematite are believed to promote grounding and protection. Feeling grounded can reduce anxiety and help you feel more stable and centered. 4. Mindfulness and ritual. The act of choosing, cleansing, and using crystals creates moments of mindfulness. Ritual itself can raise your mood, increase self-awareness, and shift your mental state, which can feel like a vibrational lift. Whether you see crystals as energetic tools or symbolic reminders, their real power often lies in how they help you slow down, focus inward, and cultivate positive intention. When paired with practices like gratitude, meditation, and self-care, they can become meaningful allies on your wellness journey. Crystals have been used for centuries in spiritual traditions as tools for healing, protection, and energy work. While their effects are based on spiritual belief rather than scientific proof, many people experience powerful personal benefits when working with them intentionally. Here are some of the commonly described spiritual and energetic benefits of crystals. 1. Energy cleansing. Crystals are believed to absorb, transmute, or clear stagnant and negative energy from your aura and environment. Stones like selenite and clear quartz are often used to cleanse spaces, helping you feel lighter and more refreshed energetically. 2. Chakra balancing. In energy healing practices, the body is said to have 7 main chakras, energy centers. Different crystals are associated with specific chakras and are used to restore balance. For example, amethyst is linked to the crown chakra, spiritual connection, while rose quartz is connected to the heart chakra, love and compassion. 3. Emotional healing crystals are often used to support emotional release and healing. They can act as energetic anchors during meditation or reflection, helping you process feelings such as grief, fear, or self-doubt, and gently shift toward peace and self-acceptance. Intuition and spiritual awareness. Certain stones are believed to enhance intuition and spiritual insight. Amethyst, labradorite, and clear quartz are commonly used during meditation to deepen awareness, strengthen inner guidance, and support connection to higher consciousness. 5. Protection and grounding. Protective stones like black tourmaline, obsidian, and hematite are thought to shield against negative energy and promote grounding. Grounding helps you feel stable, centered, and emotionally secure. 6. Intention, amplification. Crystals are powerful tools for intention setting. When you program a crystal with a clear purpose, such as attracting abundance, love, or clarity, it becomes a physical reminder of your goal, helping you focus your thoughts and energy consistently. Ultimately, crystals work best when combined with mindfulness, meditation, prayer, or self-care rituals. their spiritual benefit often comes from the awareness, intention, and belief you bring to them. Whether used for protection, healing, or personal growth, crystals can serve as beautiful, symbolic allies on your spiritual journey. In many spiritual and energy healing traditions, crystals are believed to absorb, store, and transmit energy. Because of this, they're thought to pick up stagnant or heavy energy from environments, other people, or even your own emotional states. Cleansing is seen as a way to reset the crystal back to its natural, balanced frequency so it can work at its highest potential. Even if you view crystals symbolically rather than energetically, cleansing can still be meaningful. It creates a mindful ritual, a moment to reset your intention and reconnect with the purpose you've given the stone. Why crystals are cleansed energy, reset, to clear any absorbed or lingering energy. After heavy use, especially after emotional work, healing sessions, or intense environments. Before first use, to energetically clear previous handling or storage. To strengthen intention, cleansing helps you consciously recommit your focus to the crystal's purpose. How to cleanse crystals. Here are some commonly practiced methods. 1. Moonlight. Place your crystals outside or on a windowsill overnight, especially during a full moon. Moonlight is believed to gently cleanse and recharge their energy. 2. Sunlight. A few hours of sunlight can cleanse and energize crystals. However, some stones, like amethyst or rose quartz, may fade in strong sun, so limit exposure. 3. Running water. Hold your crystal under natural running water, like a stream, or cool tap water for a minute or two. Visualize any negative energy washing away. Avoid water for soft or porous stones like selenite. 4. Smoke cleansing. Pass the crystal through the smoke of sage, palo santo, or incense. Intentionally focus on clearing away unwanted energy. 5. Salt. Place crystals in a bowl of dry sea salt for several hours. Salt is believed to absorb negativity. Avoid this method for delicate stones. 6. Sound. Use sound vibrations from singing bowls, bells, or clapping to energetically cleanse crystals. Sound is thought to break up stagnant energy. 7. Intention. Simply hold the crystal in your hands, close your eyes, and visualize bright light surrounding it. State your intention clearly. I cleanse this crystal of all negative energy. Cleansing isn't about fear of bad energy. It's about energetic hygiene and intention. Whether you believe crystals hold frequencies or simply serve as mindful tools, regular cleansing keeps your connection to them clear, focused, and aligned. Keep watching the Meta Queen channel to discover which crystal aligns with your energy and could be most beneficial for you at this time. Your journey to clarity, balance, and higher vibration might be just one insight away.